Welcome to Top Best Picks. The best PowerStop Z36 is probably one of the most sought-after brake upgrade kits for truck and SUV owners who demand superior stopping power and durability, especially when towing or hauling heavy loads. This kit isn't just about replacing worn-out parts, it's a comprehensive system engineered to provide a significant enhancement over stock brakes, ensuring you have the confidence and control needed for the most demanding driving conditions. If you're looking to elevate your vehicle's performance and safety, the PowerStop Z36 Extreme Truck and Tow Brake Kit is a serious contender that deserves your attention. Number 5. PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit for Ford F-150. This is a complete brake kit for your truck, including everything you need for the front and rear. It's designed as a direct fit upgrade, making replacement straightforward. Experience a significant boost in stopping power with our upgraded carbon fiber ceramic pads. They provide maximum performance while remaining quiet and durable. Our drilled and slotted rotors are engineered to vent heat effectively, preventing fade. They also feature a protective plating to shield against rust and corrosion. This kit is specifically designed for the demands of trucks and towing applications. It ensures reliable performance when you need it most. Confirming the correct fit for your vehicle is simple. Use the provided tools or check the product description to ensure compatibility before purchasing. Enjoy peace of mind with our comprehensive warranty. This product is backed by a 36-month or 36,000-mile limited warranty for your protection. What we like. This kit offers enhanced stopping power with its upgraded carbon fiber ceramic pads. The rotors are designed to stay cooler and resist cracking, ensuring long-lasting performance. If you frequently tow or haul heavy loads with your Ford F-150, this is the perfect upgrade for superior braking control and confidence. What people say. The rotors are a perfect fit and the pads are great. This kit has excellent stopping power and significantly reduced brake dust. The drilled and slotted rotors provide superior cooling and prevent glazing. Number 4. PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit. Introducing the Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit, designed to significantly enhance your vehicle's stopping capability. This kit provides a complete front and rear brake pad and rotor upgrade for your truck or SUV. Experience superior stopping power with our upgraded carbon fiber ceramic pads. They deliver maximum performance without sacrificing longevity, ensuring you can stop with confidence every time. Our drilled and slotted rotors are engineered to vent heat effectively, preventing brake fade. The silver zinc dichromate plating also provides robust protection against rust and corrosion. Enjoy an easy installation process with this direct fit upgrade. All necessary hardware is included, making the replacement of your brake pads and rotors straightforward. This kit is backed by a 36-month or 36,000-mile limited warranty. Drive with peace of mind, knowing your investment is protected. Before purchasing, please confirm your vehicle's fitment using the provided tools. This ensures you receive the correct parts for your specific truck or SUV. What we like. Experience a significant boost in stopping power with these ultra-quiet brake pads. The rotors are protected against rust and corrosion, maintaining their performance over time. If you drive a Chevy Silverado 1500 or Tahoe and demand reliable, quiet braking performance, especially under load, this kit is an excellent choice. What people say. The PowerStop Z36 kit is a great upgrade for heavy-duty trucks and towing. The drilled and slotted rotors provide excellent stopping power and heat dissipation. The carbon fiber ceramic brake pads offer superior performance and longevity. Number 3. PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit. Upgrade your truck or SUV's braking system with this complete front and rear kit. It includes everything you need for an easy direct fit replacement. Experience superior stopping power thanks to the upgraded carbon fiber ceramic pads. They provide maximum performance without sacrificing longevity or quiet operation. Our drilled and slotted rotors are designed to vent heat effectively, preventing fade. The silver zinc dichromate plating ensures protection against rust and corrosion for extended durability. Specifically engineered for the demanding needs of trucks and towing applications. This kit ensures reliable performance when you need it most. Enjoy peace of mind with our 36-month 36,000-mile limited warranty. We stand behind the quality and performance of our braking solutions. Before purchasing, please confirm that this kit is compatible with your vehicle using the provided tools. This product may arrive in multiple boxes. What we like. These pads maximize stopping power while the drilled and slotted rotors effectively dissipate heat. Backed by a 36-month 36,000-mile warranty, they offer peace of mind. If you own a Toyota Tundra or Sequoia and need robust braking for demanding conditions, this kit provides the performance and durability you need. What people say. The PowerStop Z36 kit is a great upgrade for towing and hauling. The drilled and slotted rotors help dissipate heat, preventing brake fade during heavy use. Installation was straightforward, and the performance difference was noticeable immediately. The brakes feel much stronger and more responsive, especially when towing my trailer. I've put about 500 miles on these brakes, and they are fantastic. No dust, no noise, and they stop on a dime. Highly recommend for anyone looking for a significant improvement in braking power. Number 2. PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit for Jeep Wrangler. Upgrade your Jeep Wrangler's braking system with the PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit. This complete front and rear kit is designed for enhanced stopping power and durability. This kit includes everything you need for a direct fit upgrade: front and rear brake pads, drilled and slotted rotors, and installation hardware. It's designed to make replacing your brake pads easy. Experience a significant boost in stopping power with our upgraded carbon fiber ceramic pads. They provide maximum performance without compromising longevity and remain ultra-quiet. Our drilled and slotted rotors are engineered to vent heat effectively, preventing fade. The silver zinc dichromate plating offers superior protection against rust and corrosion. Rest assured with our 36-month 36,000-mile limited warranty. We stand behind the quality and performance of our braking solutions. Before purchasing, please confirm your vehicle's fitment using the Amazon Confirmed Fit bar or by checking the product description. This may arrive in multiple boxes. What we like. Achieve superior stopping power with pads designed for maximum performance. The rotors are engineered to prevent fade, ensuring consistent braking. If you're looking for a direct fit upgrade for your Jeep Wrangler that can handle off-road adventures or heavy use, this kit delivers the enhanced braking you require. What people say. The Z36 kit is a great upgrade for towing and hauling. It provides excellent stopping power and reduces brake dust significantly. Installation was straightforward, and the performance difference is noticeable immediately. The rotors are well made and the pads bite hard. I noticed a significant improvement in braking performance, especially during spirited driving and heavy braking situations. The Z36 kit handles heat well and doesn't fade. Number 1. PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit. Introducing the PowerStop Z36 Truck and Tow Brake Kit, designed for enhanced performance. Ensure your vehicle's fitment using the provided tools before purchase. This kit provides a complete front and rear brake pad and rotor upgrade. It includes everything needed for a direct fit replacement, making installation straightforward. Experience significantly boosted stopping power with our upgraded carbon fiber ceramic pads. They offer superior performance while remaining quiet and durable. Our drilled and slotted rotors are engineered to vent heat effectively, preventing fade. The silver zinc dichromate plating provides excellent protection against rust and corrosion. This product is backed by a 36-month 36,000-mile limited warranty, ensuring your investment is protected. What we like. Featuring carbon fiber ceramic pads for enhanced stopping power and rotors shielded against rust. This kit is a direct fit upgrade for trucks and SUVs. If you own a Toyota 4Runner or Lexus GX460 and want a reliable, high-performance braking solution that looks great and lasts, this is the kit for you. What people say. The PowerStop Z36 Brake Kit is a great upgrade for heavy-duty trucks and towing. It provides excellent stopping power and reduces brake dust significantly. The drilled and slotted rotors help with heat dissipation, preventing brake fade during aggressive driving or towing. The pads are designed for low dust and quiet operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.